Yo, what's happening, my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all stay in charge, yo. So on this episode we're going to be working on the rust bucket. Fingers crossed, because yeah, I need to get this done. A few more bits. What's happening anyway is we've ordered some bolts. Cheese. Yeah, what these bolts are for is for the tensioner pulley, so we've got power steering and that, because God knows where the previous owner misplaced them. Like, it's a bit headache. Hope if it don't work today, we're gonna have to go Mitsubishi. But let's get going and stay charged, yo. Hit that subscribe button and let's do this. Cheese, bare lack of pills. So there's a few nuts and bolts and things like that I ordered, bought last time, not working. Here's the new tensioner that we need to be fitting. Let's try this, see if it fits in there, yo. So it's got to go through there. Ooh, literally just comes out enough there. Oh man, is this gonna work? Is it too short? I think that should be enough threads. Oh, but the other one's way too big. Way too big. It's not going in there, but we need to see if that thread works. So the only way we can see if this little bolt works is we've got to give it the shubber and get the wheel off, have a really good time. But yeah, nah, on a serious note is I checked the threads for the main hole and I've got one of the correct ones, but let's go, man. Let's do this. Right, let's give it the shubber. Shubber, 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 shubber. Right, after you finish giving it the shubber, let's get the wheel off, have a really good time. So let's see if that will go there or not. Is that the right way? Can't go like that. But anyways, let's see if that's the correct thread. Oh, perfect. That's beautiful. Right, so that sits like that, and let's see if I got the correct boltings. Oh, so as you can see, that should basically sit in there, and then I think there's, that's weird, there's not much maneuverability, because I know you got to twist it from there or so. But yeah, that's the perfect thread there. But that bolt that I ordered for there is way too big, yo. Just thinking if I can still manage to get it on, or somehow if I can find another bolt to go in there. because it shouldn't be difficult to do a little job like this. Right, so if you're ever struggling for a reason, there's always a reason why you are struggling for that reason. And let me show you what. Look at that. Yeah, compared to that. Can you lot see the difference? I just noticed that is different compared to that. So I shouldn't have to struggle. Like, look at this one. Fits perfect, yeah? That is where it should sit. Maybe not. I can use this. I'm gonna try use this. You see? Little difference. So that's no good to me anyway. Mon douche. Oh, there we go. Get in there, my son. Me guasso. There we go. And we've got plenty of thread in there, yo. But yeah. Where did it snap from again? Can't actually remember. Let's try getting this one on and get the belt on. Right, so I've just put that in, but I need to tighten up that because I had loosened it last time, and try find a bolt for that. And let's get this beltings on, shall we? Belts and braces, yo. Oh my god, this is bloody rusty. Why am I doing this? Because we love it. We bloody love it. Jeez. Let's do this. Let's try find a bolt. You what?
So you got a big one for that.
And my brother come through with the McDonald's there, yo. So
Done, no?
we're gonna go get charged up and then come back to this, yo, before it goes dark. Right, so we found a bolt to go through there, but what we've got to do, cut off that much amount from the thread there, and that should technically go in there. But do you know what, considering it's going dark, I don't think we're going to finish it today. Will we? Alright, looks like we're going to get it done today. Better crack on, mate.
Crack on, son.
Right, you need to find a nut.
Got myself a nut, a hacksaw,
They don't lock.
and some greep.
They don't lock.
Right, let me go get some more.
Hold the grips.
Oh, fantastico. Right, it's been cut down to place. Let's put it into place. We've got the correct nutters, yo. Jeez. All thanks to me mate coming down as well, and yeah, giving us a hand. Oh my god. And this is the old tensioner. Beautiful. Otherwise I was going to go buy another bolt for this, but he showed me the ways. That's in. We're in. Now we need to get the belt on. Right, so the main thing is we have the tensioner on now, thankfully. We just tried routing the belt around, but don't know exactly the way it goes at the moment. But we're going to figure it out. My friend's got auto data. So yeah, he's going to send me a little image. Not the ones what you lot are thinking, yeah? But yeah, on that note, we're going to leave it for now. Get the wheel back on. And yeah, fingers crossed the next time that you see it, it's going to have power steering. And what I didn't know is the water pump's connected as well. I didn't know that's why the water weren't circulating around, no heating, so that's going to be done as well. Other than that, stay tuned, stay charged, and yeah, hit that subscribe button, comment, like, share, and stay blessed, y'all. Cheers!